In this video, I'll show you how to leave a group on Signal Android. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once you've got Signal open, you'll see a list of all your Signal conversations or chats. At the very top of my conversations is a group chat called Tech Talk. To leave this group, I need to tap on it to go into the group, and then I need to tap on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner, and then tap on Group Settings. In Group Settings, I must swipe down to the very bottom, and because I am admin of the group, I have the ability to end a group, but that's not what I want to do. I want to leave the group. So I'm going to tap on Leave Group. Signal will then say Leave Group. You will no longer be able to send or receive messages in this group. You have the option to cancel or to tap on Leave. I'm going to tap on Leave. And just like that, I have now left the group. So it went from 1 members to 0 members now. There was only me in the group anyway, as this was a video demonstration. And now all that's really left to do is to go back and go back again and delete this conversation so we no longer see the group chat anymore. To do that, simply tap and hold on the group chat conversation to delete, and then tap on delete. Signal will then say delete selected chat. This will permanently delete the selected chat. Again, you have the option to cancel or delete. I'm going to tap on delete. And there we go. We have left the chat and deleted the group chat messages. And that pretty much concludes the short video on how to leave a group on Signal Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard?